Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find personalization. As you can see right here, we've got a whole wallpaper section. We've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so our own gallery, and of course we can choose our own photo and set it as a wallpaper. Static wallpapers, where we've got pre-installed options from which we can choose, and right here online wallpapers from which we can download some wallpapers which are online. After downloading, they will appear in this section in the static wallpapers. So let me choose something from the online wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of free options to choose from. They're really beautiful with a really high quality. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find the photo you'd like to use, and I believe this is the best option to choose. So let me tap on this option. After tapping on it, you can see it kind of like a preview. You can tap on this arrows icon in the right upper corner and decide whether you like it or not. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Now we can tap on set again, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so the home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.